In this video, I will show you how to create an API key on HTX and connect the exchange to Bitsgap through the My Exchanges section. First, log into your HTX account, open the Profile menu at the top, and go to API Management. On the API Management page, you can see the list of already created keys. To add a new one, click Create API Key. In the window that opens, enter a name for the key. It is better to use the service name, for example, Bitsgap, so you can easily understand what this API key is for later. Next, choose the permissions. After that, HTX will show a risk warning. Tick the confirmation boxes and click I understand. Now complete the security verification. Copy the confirmation code from your email and paste it into the email verification code field. After confirmation, HTX will create the API key. The access key and secret key will appear on the screen. Then go to Bitsgap, open My Exchanges, click Add New Exchange, and select HTX. Paste the access key into the API key field, and paste the secret key from HTX into the secret key field. Make sure there are no extra spaces. Then click Connect. Done. HTX has been added to the system. API keys should be stored securely and should not be shown on screen without blurring.